Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of 5 for Friday. This week we've got a special one for you. We're going to be going over the top 5 indoor kids activities. I brought in a special guest, Sabat Medina.
What's up, guys?
Let's get right into the list, everyone. First up is the Vinci Science Center, located on Hamilton Boulevard in Allentown. The Vinci Science Center is a science museum and nonprofit organization that's been a leader in bringing science to life since 1992. The center excels in connecting people of all ages to the wonders of science. Its engaging and highly interactive experiences include a 2-story exhibit floor and nearly 3 dozen programs for visitors of all ages. Students, including educators and community groups, love this place. The center's primary focus is introducing kids to the potential of the STEM subjects: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
Number 2 on our list is the Crayola Experience in Easton, PA. The Crayola Experience is where the magic of Crayola comes to life. This is so much more than crayons. With over 65,000 square feet of attractions, Crayola Experience is PA's most colorful family destination for interactive, creative play. Families can spend hours exploring their over 27 hands-on attractions, including Activity Studio, Adventure Lab, Color Playground, Melt and Mold, along with character meet and greets. You can even create your own custom crayon and watch how the crayons are made from start to finish.
Next up is Kids Quest, located inside the Wing Creek Center in Bethlehem. Kids Quest is designed to be a place where kids are physically and mentally engaged with age-appropriate play events, helping them grow happily. Every Kids Quest and Cyber Quest Resort Center is perfect for kids with plenty of entertainment options for children, families, and adults to enjoy. Kids Quest play facilities are designed to provide optimal sightlines, kid-friendly services, and equipment researched for safety and fun. Parents review expectations for guest behavior and center rules on daily authorization at their check-in. Children are given safe play directions throughout their stay by the teammates who have been trained in supervisory roles to ensure that all children enjoy their time at the center.
Next on our list is Imagi Nation, over on Hamilton Boulevard in Allentown. This West Allentown Activity Center is a one-of-a-kind experience for all kids of all ages. Owners Tim and Wendy Pitts have created an immersive experience where kids can engage in activities that develop critical social skills and learning while exploring their imagination. The small city-like atmosphere offers 8 unique centers, including a bank, diner, fire and police station, health and dental center, construction zone, market, post office, and pit lane challenge. Your kids will love to end it with a sweet treat at Scoopendorf's Flavor Lab, where kids can create and try their own ice cream flavors.
And the ice cream is delicious. Last up, we've got Lehigh Valley Grand Prix, located in South Allentown. If you're looking for fast-paced entertainment unlike anything else you've done before in the Lehigh Valley Grand Prix is the place to be. Indoor go-kart racing on a quarter-mile track with go-karts that can reach up to 45 miles an hour, now that's a good time. Ages 8 and up will have a memorable experience going head-to-head with friends and family, and the bragging rights will continue for a lifetime.
Well, there you have it. Those are your top 5 indoor kids activities in the Lehigh Valley.
Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of 5 for Friday. We hope we see you guys next week for another list, and we'll look for your input online. Make sure, in the meantime, you guys go and check out a few of these places. I know your kids will love it, and you'll have a good time as well. We'll see you next week.